Discipline will break you before it builds you. That's the part no one tells you, that it hurts. It's lonely, it's quiet, it's you against your own mind. There's no applause, no motivation, no perfect quote to get you through it. Just you and a choice to show up or quit. Discipline isn't sexy. It's not the highlight reel. It's the nights you go to bed tired and still feel behind. It's waking up with doubt, but doing it anyway. Motivation fades, discipline stays. But here's what no one wants to admit. Discipline will test you. It will make you question yourself. It will strip the comfort out of your life, piece by piece. You'll lose people. You'll miss out on things. You'll suffer in silence. You'll want to quit more times than you can count. You'll hear that voice that says, maybe this isn't worth it. But let me tell you something. That voice, that's the old you, the weak you, the version that wanted results without earning them. And if you give in to that voice, you stay there, stuck, average, invisible. But if you fight back, if you silence it every single day, with action, with sweat, with persistence, that's where you change. Discipline builds champions, but it breaks down cowards first. This isn't for everyone. This path, it'll cost you. But what you gain, self-respect, control, power, you won't have to beg for motivation. You'll become the reason people start moving. You'll earn the life people only dream of, not because it was given to you, but because you were willing to suffer for it. So yeah, discipline will break you, but only so it can rebuild you stronger. So feel the pain, feel the silence, feel the grind, then keep going. That's where greatness begins, not in height, not in comfort, but in choosing to keep going when everything in you says stop. This is your path now. No turning back, no easy way out. Discipline isn't the enemy. It's the fire that burns away the weakness. Let it burn and watch who you become.